A day in a life, a day in a life, a day in a life of a traveling vegan. Follow China, be fit. A day in a life, a day in a life, a day in a life of a traveling vegan. Follow China, be fit. A day in the life of a traveling vegan. Thailand series, episode 1. Please like, share, and subscribe with the button below. I start off my morning with some ginger tea and some meditation. Telling you, ginger cures everything, so I'm a little extreme. I made my cup of sea moss the other night, so I'm just gonna eat it because I soaked it. It's like the fastest way. Instead of making it into a gel, I just eat it like this. Disclaimer alert, I do not recommend eating sea moss this way. I recommend eating sea moss as a gel, and I do not recommend eating it this way because you could eat too much sea moss, so you want to be careful and buy it or gel it the correct way. So this is how we're going to eat our sea moss this morning. Just like that. Sea moss has 92 of the vitamins and minerals that your body needs out of the 102 vitamins and minerals that are already in your body. So it just replenishes them. Really good for you. A natural supplement. Little crunchy. Caution, do not consume Irish sea moss if you are allergic to seaweed, algae, or ragweed. Iodine allergy, high iodine levels, bleeding, or clotting disorders. Sea moss is a seaweed also known as Irish moss. It is used as an extremely powerful source for minerals and vitamins. It is compounded of 92 of the 102 minerals of which the body is made. gluten-free, vegan, raw, non-GMO. Sea moss contains 92 out of 102 minerals that are found in our bodies. Sea moss provides the body with vitamin A, B, vitamin C, D, E, and K. It contains calcium, iodine, beta-carotene, bromine, iron, magnesium, manganese, protein, pectin, sulfur compounds, selenium, and zinc, along with many other nutrients. So it's really good also to drink a whole liter or liter and a half of water in the morning. Just drink as much water as you can, because otherwise you will have stomach issues. So, cheers. They say you're not supposed to chug water, but it's the only way that you can get your water. Like I said, I'm a little extreme though. So my tea is ready. I'm about to pour it inside my cup and sip on it. First I want to steam. It's a great way to get your steam in for the morning. See the little steamer. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Steam it in. So I made my cup of ginger tea. It's pretty hot right now. But I'm gonna sip on it because it's better when it's hot. It makes it soothe your throat. Ginger's not strong if you boil it like that. If you just cut off a chunk of ginger and put it in a glass, and you boil it with the chunk of ginger, it's not strong. It's not as strong as it would be if you actually just ate it and just took a chunk. Alright, now I'm going to meditate for at least 15-20 minutes. I usually just do the cell repair for healing my body. Do this one for today. Okay, so I meditated and now I'm going to have some matcha with some Thai green tea. Added 100% cacao as well, because a lot of the places that you go here, they have tea, they have coffee, they have everything, but most of the times it's got, and then this is my coconut milk, but most of the times it has regular milk in it, it has sugar, some sort of creamer, just all things that I cannot eat, so I make my own. I love cooking and making my own stuff at home. Turn this on. Plug it in first. There we go. Alright, it's finished. I'm gonna pour it in my cup. There we go. My matcha. I don't really need to make too much because I'm really full if I have a full cup, so I'm just gonna have half a cup before I go to the gym. Not bad. Alright, I had my matcha. Now I'm about to make some breakfast before I go to the gym. So I have peanut butter. I really didn't know that peanut butter wasn't vegan, but this one says it's vegan. I'm going to add some peanuts as well, and some bananas, and I'm going to actually make a seaweed sandwich wrap. So I'll show you how to do this. It's really easy and convenient for a little snack for breakfast. First things first, I'm going to add my oats to a little cool electric fryer. Probably should have added some coconut oil so it didn't stick, but I don't mind the burn taste because it's crunchier. And okay, so that coconut oil was actually not good, so I'm gonna add water this time until it's cooked. I'm gonna add some peanuts. Cut up bananas. These bananas are really tiny, but the smaller the banana is, the healthier it is for you. So in Thailand they have really good bananas. Alright, I'm going to cover it and turn it on. It doesn't take long in this thing because it's an electric skillet. So while that's cooking, I'm going to prepare my sea moss sandwich. So these are cool, they come like individually wrapped. I need to get new scissors because the scissors in Thailand, they work really good for like food and stuff, but not too well on plastic. So I'm going to square each of them off. Alright, so in order to fold the seaweed wrap, I need to make it like wet so that it doesn't break. So I just put some water in this cup and I'll just section it off into fours. And then as soon as my oatmeal is finished, I will put that in this corner. Yeah, now we wait. Okay, so oatmeal is finished, so I'm going to add oatmeal to this side of the seaweed wrap. Maybe a little bit more. Wrap. There we go. It'll probably spill out, but that's okay. And I'm going to fold it. See how easy that was? Seaweed it is. And I'm going to fry it so that it's crispy on the outside. Okay, I ended up making two actually because after the gym it'd be nice for a little snack. So now that it's a little crispy, I don't think that one's ready yet. So I'll let it fry a little bit, and then I have leftovers as well, leftover oatmeal for a snack later or breakfast tomorrow. Sometimes we're just way too busy to go to the grocery store, but we really need our greens for the week. And Organifi green juice has saved my life. It's a natural, organic green juice substitute that's great to have in your cupboard on these busy days. The link is below, so just check it out.
Here, I can just feel the enzymes and the nutrients from this juice. It's amazing. But it took about 30 minutes to go out and get all this stuff. Now when I juice, it'll probably take another 15, maybe 20 minutes if I clean up a little bit slow. You see, and 30 to 45 minutes every single day is where the problem lies. I don't have every day to spend that amount of time making my juice. And you probably don't either, right? So what do we do in situations like that? Well, over the past 2 years, me and my team have developed green juice just for you. It's loaded with 11 superfoods. It's absolutely amazing for you too. One of the star components of this is the ashwagandha that's in it. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen. It goes in your body and helps regulate that stress hormone. We put turmeric in here as well, which they didn't have any turmeric at the farmer's market, and you probably have a hard time getting turmeric where you are too, but it's an amazing anti-inflammatory. Ayurvedic medicine have been using it for over 5,000 years. There's matcha green tea in here, which L-theanine, as you probably know, helps boost that mental cognition so that you can stay focused on your job. It actually has ECGGs, which are an antioxidant, which help as well. There's coconut extract in here, coconut crystals. I like to look at coconut water as Mother Nature's Gatorade, more or less. And what that does is it actually helps you assimilate all the nutrients even faster, and you absorb them better with the coconut. There's beet juice in here. Beet juice helps your body produce nitric oxide. They did a study in the 1986 Olympics of endurance racers, and endurance racers that had 2 liters of beet juice before their event actually performed much, much better. So beet juice is absolutely amazing. There's lemon in here, which helps with phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 liver detoxification. We sweetened it with monk fruit because if you've been reading the research in regards to stevia, then you know that stevia can actually disrupt your microgut biome. We don't want to do that. We know that that culture inside your body is so important at maintaining the optimal health that you want, so we put lohan in there. It actually has medicinal benefits and it sweetens it up. There's no sugar in this thing. We put wheatgrass in here as well, which actually helps the flavor a lot. And if you've ever seen those little charts at the juice bar, you know that 1 shot of wheatgrass is like 2.5 pounds of veggies. Absolutely amazing for you. There's spirulina in here, which is loaded with vitamin B12. Chlorella is one of Mother Nature's greatest detoxifiers, in particular heavy metals. They've done a lot of research in regards to chlorella. It's one of my favorite things to take, and it's in our Organifi green juice. And another star of the show is moringa leaf. Moringa leaf is absolutely amazing for you. It's loaded with potassium. It's loaded with vitamin C. It's basically like the most underrated superfood on the planet. I love it. When I take it, I get tons of energy, and it really brings this calm energy too. It's not like this caffeine spike that one would get. And there's also mint in here. Mint helps with mental cognition, and it also creates a very, very nice flavor. All right, so this is Organifi. It literally takes just 30 seconds. Mix it in a glass of water, drink it once a day, and now you know you're getting your nutritional insurance every single day without having to go to the farmer's market, without having to even get the juicer out, clean the juicer, you can get it. The way I look at juicing now is it's a nice bonus with what I'm already doing. And I want to alleviate all of the hard stuff, right? Especially when it comes to being healthy. If it's hard, you're probably not going to do it. That's why we made it so easy and so simple that it's just 30 seconds is all you need in a day to take a scoop of this and feel your best self once again. So click the Get Organifi Now button below and order yourself some green juice today. Once you try it, email me, let me know how you like it, and the rest of the Fit Life team as well. I'm blown away with the positive response that we're getting online this far, and we've only
Again, the link for Organifi green juice is below, so make sure you check it out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you for episode 2.